Get ready to transform your kitchen game. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and overflowing cabinets, this DIY built-in pantry IKEA hack is your secret weapon. We're taking affordable Billy bookcases, Sektion units, and PAX wardrobes and turning them into custom, high-end storage masterpieces. You don't need a carpenter's salary to get that luxurious built-in look. With a bit of molding, some fresh paint, and creative hardware, we'll show you how to maximize every inch of your space. Buckle up, because your dream organized kitchen is just a weekend project away. It is time to stop dreaming about a walk-in pantry and start building one that fits your home perfectly and looks like it cost a fortune. Number 1. The Billy Bookcase Built-in. The classic Billy bookcase is the gold standard for IKEA hacks because of its versatility. To create a seamless pantry, start by assembling multiple units and securing them side by side against your wall. The real magic happens when you add a baseboard across the bottom and crown molding at the top, bridging the gap to the ceiling. This eliminates that floating furniture look. Fill the shelf holes with wood filler before painting everything a sophisticated hue, like navy or forest green. The result is a floor-to-ceiling storage solution that looks like it was designed specifically for your kitchen's unique dimensions and style. Number 2. The Sektion Pull-Out Tower. IKEA's Sektion kitchen cabinets offer incredible durability for heavy pantry items. For this hack, use tall Sektion frames and customize the interior with Utresta pull-out drawers. These drawers are game changers, allowing you to reach items tucked at the very back without digging. To get the built-in aesthetic, wrap the exterior and custom cover panels that match your existing kitchen cabinetry. Install oversized brass handles to elevate the look. This setup provides a professional-grade pantry system that maximizes vertical space, while keeping your dry goods perfectly organized and easily accessible for a busy family lifestyle. It's both functional and high-end. Number 3. The PAX Wardrobe Pantry. While typically used for clothes, the PAX wardrobe system is an elite choice for a deep, walk-in style pantry. Its 22-inch depth is perfect for storing small appliances like air fryers or stand mixers. For a high-end built-in look, install the frames flush against a recessed wall and add shaker-style doors. Use complement drawers for snacks and wire baskets for produce. Painting the interior a contrasting color adds an unexpected pop of style. By adding thick trim around the edges, you hide any gaps, making the unit look like an original architectural feature of your home's kitchen or mudroom. Number 4. The Ivar Industrial Pantry. The Ivar system is the go-to for those craving a rustic or industrial built-in pantry. Since it is made of solid pine, it's incredibly sturdy and easy to stain or paint. To create the built-in effect, mount the uprights directly to the wall studs and add a custom plywood backing. Incorporate some black metal mesh doors or Ivar cabinets at the bottom for hidden storage. This hack works beautifully in farmhouse-style kitchens. The open shelving allows you to display glass jars and woven baskets, while the solid wood construction ensures it can handle the weight of bulk supplies effortlessly. Number 5. The Hemnes Shaker-Style Pantry. For a more traditional and elegant built-in, the Hemnes glass door cabinet is your best friend. This hack involves flanking a central Hemnes unit with narrower shelving to fill a specific wall. By adding a unified countertop or a thick base across all units, you create a cohesive furniture piece. Use a beadboard backing inside the cabinets to give it that custom carpentry feel. Hemnes is made of solid wood, which takes paint exceptionally well. Choose a soft grayish or creamy white and swap the standard knobs for vintage glass pulls to complete the sophisticated built-in look for your home. Number 6. The Kallax Cube Pantry. Who says Kallax is just for playrooms? This cube-based hack is perfect for a modern, modular built-in pantry. To make it look professional, frame the Kallax units with 1x2 timber and add a chunky top piece. Use the brownest baskets for a uniform look that hides messy packaging, or install the Kallax door inserts for a sleek finish. The symmetrical grid creates a visually satisfying layout that's perfect for organizing by category. By mounting the units slightly off the floor on a custom plinth, you provide that architectural built-in feel that elevates the entire kitchen space and adds immense value. Number 7. The Einhet Minimalist Pantry. If you prefer a modern, minimalist vibe, the Einhet system is the perfect foundation for a contemporary built-in pantry. Use the open metal frames mixed with closed cabinet units to create a balanced aesthetic. To achieve the built-in look, install the units in a floor-to-ceiling configuration and use matching filler pieces to close the gaps against the sidewalls. The clean lines of Einhet are emphasized by using monochromatic colors like charcoal gray or stark white. This hack is particularly effective in small kitchens where you want to maximize storage without making the room feel heavy or cramped for space. Number 8. The Metod Corner Pantry. Utilizing awkward corners is easy with a Metod-based built-in pantry hack. Use the Metod corner base cabinets as a foundation and build upwards with wall-mounted units. The key to the built-in look here is the use of continuous toe kicks and crown molding that follows the angle of the corner. Inside, use the Le Mans pull-out shelves to ensure no space is wasted in the deep corners. This custom feel hack turns a useless nook into a powerhouse of storage, making it perfect for storing large pots, pans, and bulk dry goods in a seamless, integrated fashion that improves flow. Number 9. The Havsta Sliding Door Pantry. The Havsta series offers a high-end look right out of the box, but a few hacks make it truly built-in. Combine the sliding door units with the open shelving tops. To create the custom look, add a thick decorative bridge between two units and finish the entire assembly with a single, long piece of crown molding. The sliding glass doors are perfect for showing off organized spice jars and dry goods, long protecting them from dust. Painting the backing a dark, moody color, like charcoal, creates a stunning contrast against white dishes, giving you a designer pantry at a fraction of the cost.